Hi guys, you're welcome to this step-by-step guide on how you can buy ton from your Telegram wallet. I'm going to take you guys through the process. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So guys, let's get started. The first step you have to take now is to open up your Telegram app. As you can see here, I'm on my Telegram account. So the next step you have to take now is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top left. You can see it right there, menu icon. So let me tap on it. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see wallet. That's the second option. So let me tap on wallet. So guys, now you can see it's loading up our wallet to open up now. Right here guys, can see our Telegram wallet has opened up. So the next step you have to take is to make sure you tap on wallet. You can see that wallet is selected there at the top. You can see it. Make sure you select wallet. Then now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see P2P market. You can see it right there on the right hand side. So let me tap on it. But before I tap on it, let me show you guys another method that you can use to get to the P2P market. You can see where it is written add crypto. So let me tap on add crypto. You can see the P2P market right there again. So you can either tap on this P2P market right here, or you tap on this Let me go back. Or you tap on this P2P market right here. It will take you to the same place. So let me tap on this P2P market right here. Then right here is the next step. You can see what's written there, P2P market. Exchange assets directly with other users. So what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see buy. You can see it's right there on the left hand side. So let me tap on buy. Since we want to buy ton, from our Telegram wallet. Right here is the Telegram wallet P2P market where you can be able to buy the ton. As you can see here, these are the list of sellers who want to sell their ton to you. So you're going to be buying ton from these persons right here. These are, you can see there are so many of them. So guys, let me scroll now to show you guys the step-by-step method. The first step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see method. You can see it right there at the top. So let me tap on method. So guys, now this is the step where you have to select the payment method with which you want to actually pay those that are going to sell the ton to you. So you can see there are several payment methods right here. There are different banks, but let me go for the first one, which is bank transfer. Bank transfer covers for all kinds of commercial banks. So let me tap on bank transfer. Then let me tap on done down there. Right there guys, can see bank transfer has been chosen as the payment method. So I'm going to be paying for the ton I'm going to be buying through bank transfer. Now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see verification. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. Right here under the verification, you can see we have two options. The first one there is trusted merchant, while the second one there is all merchants. So I would advise you go for trusted merchant. Trusted merchant contains buyers and sellers that have actually verified their identity, that have provided their ID card, national identity card, and also they're reliable. So you go for trusted. If you want to go for all merchants, you can do that, but I would advise you to go for trusted merchant. So let me go ahead now to tap on done. Right there you can see trusted has been selected. Now the next step now is to go over to where you can see currency. You can see right there, this is where you have to select your country's currency, the currency with which you're going to be paying those that are going to sell this ton to you. So let me tap on it. Right here guys, can see there are different countries currency right here. What you have to do now is to look for your country and select your country's currency. As you can see, my country's currency has been selected right there automatically, the Nigerian naira. So let me go back now. Let me go back. As you can see there, my country's currency has been selected, NGN, which means the Nigerian naira. So now the next step now is to scroll to the left. So let me scroll to the left. Right there guys, can see where it is written crypto. What you have to do now is to tap on crypto. You have to select the crypto that you want to buy. So let me tap on it. So guys can see these are the different cryptos that you can actually buy. So now the one we actually want to buy is ton. So let me go ahead now to select ton. You can see now guys, the ton has been selected. Now the next step you have to take now is to tap on amount. You can see where it is written amount. You have to tap on it. You tap on it. Right here guys, this is where you have to impute the amount of ton that you want to buy in your local currency. Let me say you want to buy 1 ton, and 1 ton is about 5,000 naira in my country. So I'm going to impute 5,000 naira. If you want to buy 5 ton, then you have to impute the equivalent of that 5 ton in your local currency right there. So let me impute 5,000. I want to buy ton that is worth from 5,000 to about 8,000. So let me impute 5,000 right away. You can see guys, I've imputed 5,000 now. So guys, now let me tell you guys the reasons for all that we've done all this selection that we've done at the top. Let me tell you guys now the reason why we did all of this selection right here from the top is to find eligible sellers, is to get verified sellers. You can't actually do business with all of these sellers right here. There are sellers that you can't do business with. Let me say, for instance, there are some sellers that have limit from 10,000 and above. So if you want to actually buy ton that is less than 10,000, you can't do business with those buyers or sellers. That's what I mean. And also there are some sellers that have different payment method. You can see I selected bank transfer as my payment method. So right here, these sellers you can see here, their payment method includes bank transfer. So this is how you can actually filter all of the sellers, so you can be able to match the kind of business that you want to do. So you have to filter these sellers to get sellers that will match the amount of business you want to do and also the type of business you want to do. So guys, now after you're done selecting all of this, now the next step now is to look into the sellers to pick one of them. You can see there are several of them. So now the first criteria you have to check, not actually the best criteria, is the price. You can see they have different prices right here. You can see the price of this number one seller for 1 ton is 5,335 naira. You can see it right there. While the second seller has a price for 1 ton as 5,350 naira. You can see this one has this one we're going to be paying more to buy from this person. We're going to be paying more to buy from this second person, while this first seller are going to be paying less for 1 ton. So guys can see this, how you can actually check through to get the best seller. And also you can see one thing you have to check also is the trades. You can see this first seller has done over 21,000 trades. You can see it right there. The person has a completion rate of 99%. That means the person has completed 99% of all the business and deals brought to him. Then let's go over to the second person. You can see the second seller right here. He has done over 16,000 trades. You can see it right there. And the person also has 99% completion rate. You can see this, how you can actually check through. This one right here has 100% completion rate. That means he has completed 100% deals of all the business brought to him. And guys, let me scroll upwards now. You can see their details are actually good. 99% completion rate is actually good, is excellent. And also what you have to check is the limit. You can see the limit right there. The limit of this first seller is from 2,000 to over 170,000 naira. You can see this one is from the second seller. The limit is from 1,600 to about 1.2 million naira. You can see they all have different limits, and the payment method also differs as well. But I selected bank transfer, so all of these sellers that you can see here, they all have bank transfer as their payment method. So after you're done considering all of this, you have to select one. So let me go for the first one. The first one is selling at 5,335, which is actually better compared to other sellers which are actually selling at a higher price. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to tap on buy, and so it is written buy. So let me tap on buy right away. And also before I tap on buy, you can see this first seller is actually active. You can see that green mark right there, that green tick. It shows that he is active. Then this second seller is also active as well. You can see it shows that the person is active and online. You can see this last one is not showing active. This is what you have to check. Let me go ahead now to tap on buy at the top. So let me tap on buy. Right there guys is the next step. You can see what's written there. You buy ton from Flash Trade. The name of the seller is Flash Trade. So what you have to do now is to impute the amount of the ton that you want to buy, the amount in your local currency. So let me go ahead now to tap on amount right there. So I want to buy 8,500 naira worth of ton. So guys, now you can see I imputed 8,500 naira. This 8,500 naira will give me 1.59325210.8 ton. You can see it right there. This is the equivalent of the ton. You can see it right there. So now for this 8,500, I'm going to be receiving 1.59 that ton in my Telegram wallet. This seller is going to deposit it into my wallet, and I'm going to give the seller 8,500. That's how it works. So now the next step now is to actually choose payment method. We have actually done that. We have selected bank transfer as our payment method. Then the next one there is send fiat within 15 minutes. That means the seller is asking you to send the money within 15 minutes. And you can see down there it says order will be instantly accepted. Send payment via this method within 15 minutes. So you have to make the payment into the person's account number within 15 minutes. So let me tap on check order right away. And also in case you want to see other instructions from the trader, and so it is written instructions from Flash Trade 60 seconds trade. I'm always on seat. That means he's always available to do business. the status, you can see he is online, and the price for 1 ton, you can see it right here. These are the details of the transaction that one will do. So let me go ahead now to tap on check order. You can see, guys, it's loading up. Right here, guys, is the next step. You can see what's written there. Check details, confirm that the order is correct. So what you have to do now is to go through all of this to be sure that they are all correct. After you're done going through them, you tap on confirm. So let me tap on confirm right away. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. It says pay the seller within 14 minutes 37 seconds. You can see the countdown time right there. It started from 15 minutes, now it's counting down. So in the next 15 minutes I should be able to pay the seller. You can see they said make transfer within the info below. You can see here's the details, the bank details of the seller. You can see it right there. So what I have to do now, you can see the bank account, the name of the bank, OP. You can see the name of the person. So what I have to do now is to copy this now. Then I will have to go over to my bank app to make the transfer to the person real quick. You can see it right there. The amount I have to transfer is 8,500. And also, in case you want to start a chat with the seller, you can tap on where you can see start chat. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to my bank app. Once I'm done with the payment, then I'll have to come here to tap on confirm payment. But before I do that, let me copy this the account details. And so it's hitting copy, so you can copy it. So let me tap on it. You can see now I've copied to clipboard. I've copied the account number, the account details of the person. So let me go over now to my bank app. You can see now my bank app is opening. So let me search for OP. The name of the bank is OP. So I've selected OP. You can see now I've selected OP. So let me go ahead now to impute the bank account number. You can see it's right there. I've imputed the bank account number. I pasted it. Remember, I copied it from the Telegram wallet. So let me tap on confirm receiver. You can see right there, that's the name of the person, and it's exactly what's on Telegram. What I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to impute the amount, which is 8,500. Then I can just let me just type in paid. Then let me tap on transfer. Then let me input my passcode. Then let me tap on enter. You can see, guys, it's loading. Then let me tap on OK. Wow, guys, can see success. You have successfully transferred 8,500 to Triple Promise. That you can see the account number. So let me tap on OK. So right here is my transaction receipt. So let me make a screenshot of it real quick. You can see I've screenshotted it. So let me go back now to Telegram wallet. Or you can see the P2P marketplace have closed, but that's not a problem. I can get my way back there. So let me tap on the three horizontal bar at the top. Then let me tap on wallet again. Then let me tap on P2P market right there on the right hand side. I have to go and continue the payment. I have to complete the payment. You can see right there my orders. You can see it's active. I'm here to complete it. You can see accepted by merchant. So let me tap on it right away so I could complete this transaction. You can see right there, this is the transaction. You can see I have about 6 minutes 35 seconds left to make this payment, and I've made the payment. So let me tap on confirm payment down there. Let me tap on it. Then right here I have to upload the receipt, the screenshot that I made. So let me tap on upload file. So let me go over to my screenshot. Right there at the top is the screenshot, so let me select it. You can see, guys, it's uploading. You can see uploaded. So let me tap on confirm and send down there. Let me tap on it. You can see they say send receipt. Please ensure that you uploaded the correct file. Failure to do so may impact your ability to access the P2P market. So let me tap on send. You can see, guys, the receipt has been sent to the seller. So guys, let's just wait. You can see waiting for confirmation. It takes around 10 minutes. You can close your wallet. We will notify you when it is complete. So guys, now what I have to do now is to wait. But you can close your Telegram app and come back later to confirm it. But let me just wait. And while you're waiting, in case you want to chat with the seller, you can tap on where you can see start chat. So let me tap on start chat. You can see, guys, starting chat. So it is going to direct us. You can see now it has directed us to this Telegram wallet. It says chat has started. Please enter a message for flash trade. That means that's the name of the seller. So let me type in something. Let me type in confirm payment. You Please confirm payment. Please confirm payment and release the ton. So let me tap on send. You can see now the message has been sent. It says your message regarding the order was sent to Flash Trade. So in case you want to type in a new message again, you can tap on where you can see new message. Let me tap on it, and I can tell. Let me type in the new message I want to send. What am I going to send now? I'm waiting. Let me type in I'm waiting. Then let me tap on send. So now I've sent this message. The buyer must have received it. So let me go back to my wallet. Let me tap on wallet right there. So guys, after 40 minutes, I came back to my Telegram app and I found out that I got a message from the Telegram wallet. You can see it right there. Let me tap on it to open it up. You can see the message right there. Let me get to read it. Flash Trade, that's the name of the seller, has confirmed the payment received for the order. Within 2 minutes, 1.59 ton will be deposited to your wallet. And you can see after 1 minute I received it. You can see you have received 1.59 ton in your wallet. You can see it right there. So guys, now this to confirm it, what you can simply do now is to go and view your balance. So let me tap on view balance right away to direct me to my Telegram wallet. Let me tap on view balance. So guys, now you can see it's opening up my Telegram wallet. Wow guys, can see now I now have ton in my account. You can see it right there written ton coin, and I have 1.593 ton. You can see it right there. What used to be there was 0. If you could remember, it was 0 ton, but now my balance is 1.59 ton. To further confirm this, what you have to do now is to go over to your transaction history. You can do that by tapping on where you can see history at the bottom right. So let me tap on history. Right here is the transaction history. You can see the one right there at the top written P2P purchase. You can see the time right there. You can see the amount of ton that I received, 1.5932 ton. You can see it right there, received. So guys, this is the confirm it. This is what I received. This is the ton that I bought. So guys, now, and also if you want to transfer your let me go back to the wallet. Sorry, if you want to transfer your ton coin, your ton from your Telegram wallet to your ton space, you can actually do it by just tapping on where you can see send. Tap on send. They tap on your ton space. Tap on your ton space. They select ton coin. You can see ton coin is automatically selected. They tap on continue. Then what you're going to do now is to input the amount of ton you want to transfer from your Telegram wallet to your ton space. Let me type in 1. And what you can simply do is to tap on continue. So let me tap on continue. Then what you have to do right away now is to tap on confirm and send. Once you do it, it will be transferred from your Telegram wallet to your ton space. It's that easy. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I've showed you guys how you can be able to buy ton from your Telegram wallet, and it's very easy. Do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.